So we're putting up new feeder boards for the silage for this year. The old ones were rotting out, so we're putting new ones in. And we also had to fix this headlock stanchion because this bottom tube here was completely rotted out from the silage. Putting new boards and new backboards in, except for that one. Or are we doing that one?
No, because it was
No.
solid.
Yeah, that one's good.
We just
So
gotta cut off those long bolts, and then we got brackets to put kicker boards so that they don't
push it over.
Yeah, flip all the silage out.
We got one more piece to put in. Gotta cut it, put it in here.
We got our helping crew.
Yeah, we got our helpers. And we got these 2x4s that go into these pockets here, and we just screw the board to it. And then we'll put the other pieces on and be ready for the silage. And there's the pit all covered up with the plastic and the tires. And funny thing is, there was some, they're all dead now. Oh no, here we go. Some of the corn was actually sprouting.
The corn's still growing?
It's dead now, the frost killed it, but yeah.
The frost got it.
They were just dry enough where they started sprouting. It's funny. So we had to replace this end board too because it was rotten. So we had to drill some holes in it for these nuts here. So let's see if it'll go on there. Not too bad.
You gotta be up here because you hit the plate. There you go. I think that's good.
And we're also going to replace the other side too, because this side was just as bad. This board here is pretty much rotten, so we will put one across here to replace those so that the silage doesn't obviously spill out.
And we need to take these and figure out what height they need to be and
17.
bolt them on. I just got to enlarge the holes.
All right, well, I forgot to hit record. But this piece is in. Get these screws out of here. And this chain. And then these pieces here are going to get bolted onto here. And then there'll be a board that goes on top of this along down this whole thing, so that when the cows are eating and pushing it with their nose, they can't, you know, push the silage off over and then make this all a mess. And it saves feed that way too. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get these bolted on.
Maybe do like you said, put a nut on it and suck it in.
All right, hold on.
As long as the nut doesn't go into the wood too much where you can't get it out.
Easy, buddy. Hey, Kellyanne, can you get him his tractors?
Get the top one and I'll bang on the bottom one, see if we can't get it in.
All right, well, We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the brackets up, and then this little man decided he had enough, right?
Come on.
Yeah. So we'll come back tomorrow and finish this up.
Are we ready? Is that better?
Yeah.
Drive right in the garage.
Huh?
Drive this right in the garage. Oh, there she is.
Perfect timing.
She's coming to get some hay. That's what she's doing. Emma's gonna load her up with hay. You guys are gonna go home and get supper. Right?
That thing right there, you see it?
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong.
I think it's from the back of his tractor. These horseshoes, yeah, right there.
Oh, yeah. What are you doing? Oh,
Backing it in.
we could have drove it in. Remember, we don't have to plug it in anymore.
Yeah. Just have it at this point.
Just in case.
Right. It is a John Deere.
Yes. It is green. Yeah, what does green mean? Which means what? It doesn't run half the time?
Half kidding, we run IH here. So we'll catch you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching. And please like and subscribe if you want. You want to say bye? Bye. All right. Bye-bye.